So today I'm going to review the Canker sore cover strips from CVS Pharmacy. So this package cost about $8, and it comes with 12 cover strips. So inside the box is just 12 individual packages like this, and inside each one is one cover strip. And the size of the strip is on the box here. It's almost like 1 inch, 1 square inch, which is basically like huge. So the first thing I did was I cut up the strip into 4 pieces, which, that is about the size of a typical canker sore I get. So I have a sore on my lip right there. So the directions say, gently press the strip onto the canker sore until it adheres. Don't touch the strip with your tongue as it may move the strip out of place, and don't eat or drink for 30 minutes after you apply the strip. So I've used one little quarter piece. I'm just going to try to apply one here in the camera with no mirror. A little difficult. You get the idea. Okay, so it's quickly adhered. It's already stuck on there. I'm just gonna let it sit for a minute and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes with the cover strip on, and I'll show you what it looks like now. So it still looks about the same. It's a little wet from when it's just contacted my tooth or the gums. Overall, I would say it didn't hurt when I applied it and doesn't hurt now. The strip doesn't have any weird taste, or it doesn't really have any flavor to it or anything. It is a little awkward. It's not as awkward as the weird canker cover pill thingies I used, but just closing my mouth and talking, because the strip is sticky, when the strip comes in contact with like my gums, it kind of sticks to my gums. So it's a little weird, but overall, I'd say it's okay at this point. Now it's been I would say 15 to 20 minutes since I put the cover strip on, and you can see it now. And you can see the area that's closest to the gums, that has the most contact with water, is already dissolving. So basically, the cover strip does not last very long. It's very thin, so just contact with water just a little bit, or your saliva a little bit, and it'll just dissolve pretty fast. And naturally, like, this is probably the area of where I'd get a canker sore which contacts water the least, or contacts my saliva the least. And even here, it's probably going to last for another 15 minutes, another 15, 20 minutes. Overall, probably last half an hour, at most an hour. And already right now, like, when it's kind of contacting my teeth and gums, the canker sore, as the cover strip starts to dissolve away, I'm starting to feel, the pain of the scraping against the canker sore again. Okay, so now it's been about 45 minutes since I put the cover strip on. and you can see the half of it's dissolved, and you can start to see the canker sore again, even in the non-dissolved part. I feel that it's still sticky. I will say though, when I touch that heart, even though it's visibly dissolved, there is still a little bit of gel like there, so it's still doing something. So I would say it'll probably last like an hour. I think half an hour wasn't accurate. Overall, I think this product is okay. It provides a little bit of temporary relief, but considering the cost is like $8 and you get 12, you do get, I would say, 4 uses for each strip, times 12. So it's okay. But overall, I probably wouldn't buy it again. I feel like I'd rather just use like the typical Orajel or something. So that's about it for my review. I'll look for some more canker sore products to review. If you have any comments, leave them below. And if you have any suggestions or want me to try any products, just comment below.